Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing the HyperX Alloy FPS RGB mechanical keyboard with Kailh Speed Silvers. Alright, so yeah, because I've tried out Kailh Speed Silvers and I quite like the smoothness of it, so I decided to pick up to order the Alloy FPS RGB mechanical keyboard. Let's look at the packaging. Let's look at the specs. So the actuation point is 1.1 millimeter, and total travel distance 3.5 millimeter, and operating force is 40 grams, which is very nice. So I don't have a knife right now, so I'm just gonna unbox it with my hands. It's gonna take a while actually, so I'll be back, guys. Okay, so here we go. That was tough opening without a knife, but yeah. So here's the keyboard. This thing looks pretty nice. Alright. So I'm just gonna take the keyboard out. So it's a keyboard on its own with nothing yet. So I'm just gonna put it to the side, and it's just the HyperX and its manual and stuff like that. Alright, pretty cool. So, and here finally it's the cable. It's micro USB though. It's micro USB, not USB-C, but I'm fine with that. So yeah, let's put the box aside and come back to the keyboard. Alright, the keyboard, here it is. So it's time for some ASMR. It's pretty good, and wait. Alright, so here's the keyboard. It's pretty solid, and I'm just gonna show you around this the feet, the other kickstand, whatever. Here's this one pass-through, USB pass-through for charging and stuff, and that's a micro USB cable. Alright, so now let's just look at this. Alright, let's hear it. Damn, this thing sounds so smooth, like, oh my god. Spacebar? Stabs isn't the best, but compare it to my old one, which is the Logitech G512. This one is a lot worse, and this uses Logitech GX Brown switches. Yeah. So the reason I got the HyperX one is because I really enjoy the smoothness of linear switches, and these keyboards have super fast actuation, so that you can be very quick when gaming. But I feel like you're gonna make a lot of typing mistakes though, so it's something you need to watch out for. And yeah, so this is just gonna be an unboxing of this keyboard. So now let's move on. Now I'll turn on my PC and I'll actually plug this keyboard in and try it out for myself, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so the PC is booting up. I finally plugged it in, and I was gonna use the kickstand. Oh my god. The RGB on this keyboard, it's miles ahead of the Logitech G512. Wow! Honestly, I didn't expect this. Like, damn! It actually looks so clean and nice. So bright. Oh, the Speed Silvers. Oh, they feel nice. They feel nice. Not gonna lie, they feel really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and monkey type, and I'm trying to type for it on a bit. Oh, so the first thing I noticed is that I'm kind of making some typing mistakes, but I'm making typing mistakes, but this could be something that I could get used to, but at the moment yeah, I'm making mistakes. I'm making mistakes. All right. These switches sounds buttery smooth. The stabilizers isn't the best, but yeah, there's something that it needs to be worked on. That Logitech needs to work on their future keyboards. Like if they release a new one, try to improve the stabs. So also this keyboard is controlled by HyperX Ingenuity software, whatever. I don't know how you pronounce that, but yeah. So here's the keyboard. Oh, okay. So I need to update the firmware for the keyboard first. So yeah, just gonna wait for the firmware update. I'll be back after this firmware update, and then I'll show you the RGB customizations. Okay, so now it's all done. The keyboard is back to the normal now, and I'm just gonna go to it. English, obviously, and see the effects. Like solid, you can make it to like spread if you want. But right now, I prefer it to be RGB like this. So bright, looks really nice. You can download this app in the Microsoft Store, so you don't have to go to Google and search it up. It's inside the Microsoft Store, so it's pretty easy, very accessible. Yeah. Also, the typing I just did a bit and I stopped, so that's why I got 38 words per minute. I normally get like 100, 120. But this keyboard, what I've noticed so far right now is that I'm making mistakes when typing. Like, that's first impression. It's buttery smooth, sounds quite nice, sounds pretty nice, and yeah, the build is solid, and also the keycaps is ABS. It's not PBT, so it's gonna shine out after a few months of using, or a few weeks. So yeah, maybe if you want, you can like buy this keyboard and upgrade to putting keycaps or something like that, or just black PBT keycaps. Yeah, but that's my first impression of this keyboard. It's a good keyboard. It stabs. There's still things needs to be worked on, but it doesn't sound that bad. It's not that loud, so it's all good. Alright, so that's it for this video, and bye.